Nigeria army don't come outside though. Come talk say they don't discover the place where they manufacture kala for inside Delta State. Most of una won't know wetin be kala o, na be gone. However, as that one dey happen, women don't come outside cry say this Gumi where they go meet Boko Haram them. He say this man they don't give am 500,000 make him go give Boko Haram, but end of the day they no release their loved ones wey those people hold. No be small thing o. As that one dey happen again, the one Nigeria army don come outside come tell us say Boko Haram fit be the president and they go fit join army and do other things. No be small thing. My people, things are really happening, but as that one dey happen again, na the Niger Delta Youth Council don't come outside come tell the Nigerian army to give them account and the reason why they invaded them. If not, he said no be small thing go happen. No, now I say, hey, this one they happen for here. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take they happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring updates back to back. Please, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, quickly do so and also share this video so that more people go join the matter. My people, let's quickly jump into this matter. I'll go know waiting there for our table today. You know, say this life, if you do A, may you still do B and still do C, so that A no go say you no do am the way you take do C. This place now where Nigeria army don't come outside come tell us say they don't discover for inside Delta State, say where they do kala, where they work on one factory for there. Okay, what I they ask, if na people wey truly we are one Nigeria, why not them carry those guys and teach them so that they fit, according to the woman, he said that they repair both for the police self. So if they repair for the police, that means the police know say that kind thing they for that place is not a new thing. So why are they invading that place? Why not okay take those boys and let them be working gun for them? Please, before I carry you enter where you don't know, I want you to watch the video, and before we come back, continue.
Yeah, but it's working for them.
Commander 63 Brigade, Brigadier General Ugochukwu Unachuku, leads a team of its officers to an illegal arms factory at Onitsha Olona in Anyocha North Local Government Area of Delta State.
This is where they mount and be watching the whole area.
Upon arrival, they discovered that the factory has a surveillance post, a generating set connected from a remote location, an oven for melting of iron, and a cache of arms and ammunition.
These people are the operators.
The prime suspect is 22-year-old Emmanuel Ebuka, who claims to have passion for constructing drones and arms.
When I was a kid, when I was at 12, I started practicing on drones, on things that fly, sir. And then gradually I do have this scene whenever I dream. In my dream, there's this white man on white that do come and take me to an arm factory in the dream. So I woke up the first day, I told my dad. I said, somebody come and came in the dream and took me to an arm factory and was teaching me things about weapon. So that time, it happened to be that there's one instructor in NDA, Nigerian Defense Academy. He came to our house because my daddy's friend. So when he came, I told him about the dream. He then said, maybe I'm having a connection with something that has to do with this. I then said, but I have never had anything to do with weapons. But if I see it, it always looks like something that I've used, like something I've worked on before.
His parents and siblings, who were also apprehended, insist the guns and arms are not manufactured and sold to criminals or legitimate security personnel.
I'm not involved in it.
You're not involved in it?
I was farming there. My way is even there. My petenia is there. So I went to collect it. So my son called me that I should go and rest, not to have my stress.
They repair for the vigilante, and they also repair for the police.
The army displays some of the items recovered, an implication of such act.
This is supposed to be a house, but it's part of the factory. I will take you in now, then before I walk you down to the main factory where the manufacturing is ongoing. Gentlemen, we will question those guys. You will hear from them the quantum of weapons they are manufacturing, both for the insurgents and for armed robbers in Delta State. So these people here are major contributors to the insecurity, not just in Delta State, but even across southeastern Nigeria and neighboring states here.
In all, 8 suspects involved in the family business have been arrested and are to be handed over to relevant agencies for further investigation and prosecution.
Wait till you hear for this video, no be Igbo name, Commander Ugochukwu. Commander Ugochukwu. Okay, now Commander Ugochukwu, no vessel. You are a commander in army. I want everyone to watch this another video where I want play you. Where may you hear when the army, the commanders in the north are talking to their own people. When you finish watching that one, we'll get a lot of video. This video, just calm down and watch this video today. You get a lot of video again where I go still play you here. May you understand what they go on for this country. How the Southeasterners never, they think deeper. Just watch this video. Here when the North commander are talking to their own people. Listen.
Boko Haram should lay their arms unconditionally and be accepted in the community. Opportunities are out there for them. They can be rehabilitated. An ex-Boko Haram stands having laid his arms and comes back, turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country. Why is he wasting his time when he cannot even deliver? We will do that. But we have appealed to them, including their detractors, their collaborators, to see reason to, as fast as possible, quickly drop their arms so that we can once again reoccupy our peaceful position in Nigeria.
Appears like the same script all over again. Let me just take a reaction on social media. This is from Sumto, who wrote, Nigerian soldiers still on revenge mission. Another community set ablaze by Nigeria Army in Delta State. Meanwhile, in the north, Boko Haram terrorists are granted amnesty. Fulani herdsmen are protected by the government. Bandits are getting paid and rehabilitated. These are criminals and terrorists responsible for the deaths of thousands of Nigerians, including Nigerian soldiers and police officers. It's only in the southeast and the south-south that the Nigerian military goes on revenge missions. Why not go after the perpetrators and leave innocent civilians out of this? Why burning down the whole community? You see, Rufai, there is already the ethnic tone, which is actually re-echoed on social media.
My people, this is the same Nigeria. It's never another Nigeria we are talking about. The Nigeria that we say we are one Nigeria. But here is not Hausa man in the east. So this one is Commander Ugochukwu. This Commander Ugochukwu, hope you are watching these videos. And I'm going to play you another video of women explaining how they are paying to Boko Harams. And listen very well. Just watch this video before we come back and continue.
And we do meeting. The same we could meet Ahmed. I forgot the name. They invite one food that he come and we gather money, almost 800,000. We give her. He said that one is a transport motor. And I started crying. He said, me and the wisdom. I don't have husband. I just train this boy to help me tomorrow. Please. He said that one no concern. Who will be the person? The person is a Fulani. They invite it come for one office for Kaduna deal. We just try the beggar. He said no. He said until you pay so amount. He said we don't have much. He said almost 500 million.
Initially, they asked, they were after the government paying that money, 500 million. So after, anytime they call, like me in particular, they kept calling me, Madam, Kijeki Magana, the government, that I should go and talk to the government so that they will go and pay that money. So all I kept telling them was, I am a widow. I cannot have access to the government. Maybe if my husband were to be alive, maybe you know somebody who will help him to talk to the government. But I am a widow. I cannot have access to the government. So when they kept calling me for almost 2 weeks, I kept telling them the same thing. So at the end, they started calling that, okay, how much have you people gathered? I said, how much? Who are the people you are talking about? They said, the parents. I said, no. We are poor people. Most of us are widows, and even those that have their husbands and those that even have their wives, they cannot. They are petty. They are peasants. So they don't have any money to contribute. So he said, oh, People, if government does not pay, I said all we are trying to do is to see if the government can assist us. Okay, are you saying that if the government does not pay, you people will allow you leave your children? Okay, we have already killed one. That was what.
Okay, my people, this is the same note where this army man is saying that the Boko Harams need to be president. They can be anything. They can rehabilitated back to army and all this stuff and that. And the East are busy going after their own people that are not even disturbing. Say they are the cause of the insecurity, while we know truly who are the cause of the insecurity in the East. Okay, I want to also play you this another video. This one that happened in Ikwama in Delta State. I want to also play you what their youth leader said. And before I come back, come give this our brother, what did they call this our army general, one word where I get to tell him. Let's watch this video.
My name is Dr. Alaye Theophilus, the 9th president of the Joy Youth Council, IYC Worldwide. Thank you and God bless. That took place on the 17th of March 2024 that happened in Igumotaro. These are people that were killed. This is one of the property that owns by a prominent son of a Igumotaro community that was burnt down by the Nigerian military. These are pictures of people that were just in the waterfront that were shot dead by the Nigerian military without any form of provocation. Till date, the Nigerian military has not addressed the Ijaw nation and the people of Bayelsa State and the Igumotaro community. What transpired? What is the offense that these innocent people committed? Even in a war scenario, when someone raised their hand in form of surrender, it is expected of the military not to fire. But people that were not even harmed, the Nigerian military went to our communities and shot over 40 of them dead, still counting, because some of them that are thrown into the river, the community people have not been able to retrieve the bodies. But what they have counted as dead bodies is over 40. This is the reason why we are saying that enough is enough. And the Nigerian military, as a matter of national and regional urgency, interest, address the world and tell the people of Ijaw nation the cause of this unwarranted attack on the people of Ijaw nation and Igumotaro as a whole. Thank you and God bless you. God bless Ijaw nation. God bless IYC and long live Nigeria. Thank you.
I will start by saying that Funanis are being protected all over our bushes. Even though they capture them alive, they will release them immediately. Order will come from above and they will be released. So if you are Nigeria Army, police, Navy, anything you are from Southeast, or when you in the North, they count you as a Southeast. Listen to me, ceasefire. Any order they give you to fire your own people, do not do that. Law of karma will catch you. I'm telling you the truth. The law of karma is coming for you. Because when you abandon your own people, say you are working for something that you know quite sure that another work is going elsewhere, and you are busy buying your own people, the law of karma will come for you. And let me also tell you that if the North are protecting the Boko Harams, protecting the terrorists, telling them that they are going to be rehabilitated and paying them money, but when it comes to issue of IPOB, ESN, they will say, go and crush them. Go there, crush them. We have taken their camp. But they know quite sure where the herdsmen is, and they are not going after them. Rather, the government will not tell you to give them money. Like this Shaka Ugomi is telling the government. I even see a post today where he's telling Buhari that Buhari cannot arrest him, Tinubu cannot arrest him. Even the Buhari, yes. Now it's Tinubu that cannot arrest him, cannot do anything. That Tinubu is a drug baron, is a this one, is that one. Shako Mugumi said it. But when people like us come out to talk tomorrow, they will not looking for us because he said the truth. Because he said the truth. So, Biafra army in Nigeria army right now, or if you're a Biafra, you are from Southeast, you are serving in Nigeria army. Keep going to Southeast to buy your own people. Those men you are buying, the day will come where you will need them to defend your land, and they are not there to be found. My people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you so much.